Hi everyone, it's Boris. I wanted to show you this Opel Vauxhall Astra MK4 or Astra G because it had a car crash. It hit the curb frontally at about 30 kilometers an hour, and it hit we managed to bend the subframe, which you can see is cut off right here, and on the other end right here. As you can see, the car is running. The whole engine had moved so far back that this part was touching the, I don't know, is it the shield or, yeah, it was touching here. Here it was bent a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see, it's a little bent. This mount was broken. I put a new one. It's the wrong type, but I put it just so that we have one. The support that usually we have here on the subframe was broken as well. It makes sense. And this beam was bent to the back, and these two beams, the one that is alongside the car and the other one, they are still bent both to the right, like that and like that. So yeah, the car is not very drivable. Right now the steering wheel is pointing forwards, and I'm not sure if it's visible, but the right wheel is turning to the right, and the left wheel is turning to the left a little bit. So yeah, and I wanted to show you why we are gonna scrap this car. We're not gonna do a repair. I've just put a radiator, a random one. It's from Astra F, the previous generation, just so that I can run the engine for a bit longer without overheating it. But yeah, it's going to the scrapyard for parts. The main reason is rust. It's not all the bent things. If it was only for the bent stuff, it's not a problem, we can straighten it. But the main reason is the rust. For example, here you can see no visible rust here, but if you look under the air filter box, try to remove it. There you go. Oh, there it is. We have a hole here. You can almost see the tire if it wasn't for the plastic. So sorry for all the noise, but I want to keep the engine running for a little while. So yeah, that's one of the holes here. We have some deep rust underneath. If we go, not sure if it's gonna be visible. That side should be okay, but the other one. Sure if you were able to see, but yeah, and pretty much on every spot on the car there is a little or more rust. We got here too. So yeah, the car is, yeah, it's shiny on the outside, but it has lots of rust on the inside. So on the main parts. So yeah, you manage to see, if you do yourself an inspection from beneath the car by yourself on your own car, if you see some and you see lots of rust, don't continue driving it, or at least consult with a specialist if it's okay to drive it. Because yeah, in some countries the examinations are good, but in some others they are not, and the people there might leave you drive a car that is not safe. So yeah, be aware of that. And yeah, maybe that's it. Hope this video was helpful, and maybe see you on the next one.